Manipuri film Boong na Bafta Award for Best Children's and Family Film fangba hanba Indian film oire London's Royal Festival Hall da ngarang pangthokiba humfutara mapan suba British Academy Film Awards ta lemjoningai oirba award asipi duna ikai khumnarakibane Lakshmi Priya Devi na direction piba film ase Farhan Akhtar's Actual Entertainment gi makhada puthokpani director Lakshmi Priya na award ase lauraduna Manipur gi irang na fangliba award ngakpigani Manipur gi irang na fangliba awaba chaitheng singi matangda thamoi sokna wafam phongdokhibaga loinana lamdam asida peace hanjil halakna bagi wafam phongdokhe award asi lobada Lakshmi Priya ga loinana producer Farhan Akhtar Ritesh Sidwani amade assistant director Rahul Sardasu loinakhe award adu Paddington da musical gi iconic character Paddington Bierna khutsin narakhe film asida Gugun Kipgen Balahizam Sadananda yauna artist kayana maroiba saktam sing langkhe film asina Lilo and Stitch Arco and Jutropolis 2 bu award category asida maithiba piramkhe.
Just want to use this opportunity to say that we pray for peace to return to Manipur. We pray that all the internally displaced children, including the child actors in the film, regain their joy, their innocence, and their dream once again. We pray that no conflict is ever formidable enough to destroy the one superpower that all of us have as human beings, that is forgiveness. So thank you, Bafta, for giving us not only an award, but this stage to express our hope.